Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Casetify Mirror MagSafe case for iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro, or Pro Max. Special thanks to Casetify and BestBuy for sending me this case so that I could test it out and review it. Now, as you can see, the unique feature of this case is the back is an actual mirror. It's not one of those mirrored surfaces that it's kind of warped and isn't right. This is actually a mirror. You can see me there. Hello. So works as an excellent mirror, and it's a case that has all the protections you would want, and it is also fully MagSafe compatible, which is really awesome that they were able to make this case be MagSafe compatible, and it does work, as you'll see, with all the MagSafe accessories, but has a mirror on the back. Now the mirror works really well, very clear, easy to see, great for checking your hair, doing your makeup, just making sure everything is in place before you do a selfie or you do a video. Also great for if you're stranded somewhere and you want to reflect the sun to SOS and get someone's attention, you could use it for that too. So really coolly designed case. We're gonna put it, I have the one specifically for the 15 Pro Max because that's the phone I have, so we're gonna put it on there, and you can see goes in easy, goes in well, and yeah, really protects it. You've got that slightly raised edge all along the front to protect the screen. On the back, you've got a raised bezel around the cameras. I love it because it protects them, but it doesn't stick out a lot higher because those cameras already stick out high enough. This doesn't stick out very much, so that's really cool. And then of course you've got that mirror. So offers protection, but also additional functionality because now you have a mirror on the back of your case. The buttons are all great, easy to get to your silent button or whatever you program that to do in the future. Your volume rocker keys, nice and tactile feel to them. Same thing with your power button on the other side there, if I can focus in on that. And even has a little thing here you can attach like a loop, a lanyard, something like that. If you want to, you can put that through there. Down on the bottom, cutouts are plenty wide enough. You can see your speaker grill and your USB-C power port, all easily accessible. Cutouts are plenty large enough for that. Of course, great, nice sort of rubberized feel on the outside. Grips well in the hand, not too slick, not too sticky, very nice. Easy in and out of your pockets. And you've got that really cool mirror finish on the back. So really excellent case by Casetify. Again, this case is available for the iPhone 15, the 15 Plus, the 15 Pro, and the 15 Pro Max. If you're looking for a case, if a mirror is something that you think would be handy for you to have on the back of your case, then this is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, you can share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.